Foodie Chef Pete here, and you know, sometimes you get that craving and you just gotta have fish. So what I have here on the board today, I have some beautiful cod fillets here. Beautiful cod fillets, and I have some beautiful, oops, they just fell off, some beautiful prawns, and I'm going to take these and put them in our egg batter and I made a fish batter with a little flour and some Italian crumbs and some parsley and some different herbs and spices, okay, and a little salt, and then we're going to do with a nice tartar sauce, we're going to have some corn on the cob. I made a fresh coleslaw and also some macaroni salad. So we're going to make a fish fry the easy way. And I have the pan heating up over here. And I have another pan over here sitting because what I'm going to do is cook the fish first and put it and keep it in the warm oven behind me so that I can do the prawns. Because the prawns, basically all I want to do with the prawns is heat them through and get a nice outside coating with the egg and the crumbs and all of this here, right? Okay, so give this a try with your families. See if you like to do some fish. You can use fish sticks. However, some beautiful cod that you can buy at the store. It comes frozen, individually wrapped, and you can thaw them out and then make sure they're dry. And then what you do with them is you're going to go into the egg first and then from there into here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do these last, but I'm going to start off by getting these beautiful cod fillets into the egg mixture and then over here into our pan, and we're going to get them flipped over and get them in there with our beautiful, beautiful stuff, and we're going to just set them over here for a minute, and then we're going to get the other one just like this. In the egg we go, in the egg we go, and over here into our breading and flour mixture. All right, so we're gonna get this all on there, get him all nice and get all the sides, get them good, get them real good. And I also put a little cheese in here. So I've got a little Parmesan cheese in here, so that's always good. And when we come back, I'm going to show you how you do these really quick in the pan. It doesn't take long to cook these fillets in the pan and the prawns. Okay, so this is Pete. Today is Fish Day here at Carpizzo's Kitchen. Remember, cook, eat, and subscribe. That's all we ask you to do. And we love you all. Thanks for watching. This is Pete as always, making fish today, out.